How to check if your PC is compatible with Windows 11. So if you want to check if your PC is compatible with Windows 11 or not, then first you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Microsoft Windows 11. So after searching for Microsoft Windows 11 system requirements, you need to go with the first option, and here you will have all of the system requirements or the computer requirements, what Windows 11 requires. Here you will have these are the minimum system requirements for installing Windows 11 on your PC. You'll have the processor and the RAM. It should be 4 gigabytes, and then the storage should be 64 GB or larger storage device. And then the system firmware should be UEFI and TPM, and then graphics card and the display, and minimum requirements, system requirements for your Copilot, your internet connection. So these are the system requirements. And if you want to check, then you can open up your settings. Under settings, go with system, which is on the left side, and then scroll all the way down and go with about section. And under about, here you will have advanced, or here you will have the RAM, the edition, the version. Or if you don't find the information right here, then you can also just simply go back, press Windows and R keys together, and here you need to enter MS Info 32 and then hit the enter. And here you will have all of the information, your system summary, your BIOS mode, which is right here, and then your other system types and system models and everything. So from here, you'll be able to check if it's compatible or not. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.